Want faster install times? Then you need to understand image deployment. When you're installing an operating system, there are two main ways to do it: a scripted install and image deploy. With classic scripted install, you start with a blank system, then run installers and apply packages one at a time. But with image deploy, you save time and skip those steps by cloning a fully built system. Here's how that works. The first step is to build your golden image. This is a clean, fully configured system that will be the source of your clones. Start with your base OS and then build your image to your company's standards. Customize it for your application and then inject the drivers. Injecting drivers for the target machine is a step that is super important and often overlooked. You have to inject drivers into your build to match your target system because your golden image source machine or virtual machine may not be a perfect match. If you want to know more about what happens if you skip this step, we have a video on common mistakes of image deployment. Once your golden image is built, you need to store it in your image library. Next, you need to prepare your target servers. When you're deploying images on bare metal, it's more complex than a VM because your clone targets often have different drives and partition layouts than your golden image. So first, you need to boot and get control of the system. Then you can set up partitions to receive the image. Our native image deployment feature, Eikon, handles this automatically. Next, copy the image over to the target system and then set it as the boot partition. Then you reboot into the cloned operating system. Now that you have a clone made, you need to initialize the system to make it unique and distinct. This is where you set the server name, login credentials, and any additional specialization that you need. This last step is usually very fast. The bulk of the work here is in the creation of the golden image itself and the preparation of your target servers. This is what makes image deployment so efficient. Companies that do this at scale build it as an image production pipeline and let digital rebar drive tools like Curtin and Eikon to make the process easier. At RackN, we help teams adopt image deployment processes and simplify their provisioning pipelines. If you're ready to streamline your installs, contact us at rackn.com.